This little cup of black coffee cost me 300 pesos. It's quite strong but not aggressive. This is Civet Coffee, one of the top 10 most expensive coffee in the world. I had this dito sa Banas Coffee sa Sagada. And even the locals themselves speak highly of this place kasi dito ka raw makakabili ng unadulterated and high-quality coffee beans. The first time I had Civet Coffee was in Indonesia at masasabi ko na very close yung quality nung tinitinda nila dito. We went here for some late breakfast kasi hindi kami agad nakabangon. Ang sarap kasing matulog sa lamig ng Sagada. I ordered their etag omelette. Meron siyang tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, and etag on the inside. It's very hearty. Ikaw nang bahala kung ketchup or vinegar yung ipapares mo dyan, pero perfecto for breakfast. We also ordered chai latte and it was really good. Huling-huli yung Indian flair without overpowering the coffee. For dessert naman, yung in-order namin para siyang cheesecake bar na merong white chocolate and berries. This one though is a little too sweet for me. Buti na lang meron kaming black coffee para pang balanse. That being said, talagang pagdating sa kape, the best itong Banas Coffee.